Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Hootsuite for managing affiliate content calendars, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Hootsuite account. If you don't have an account, visit the Hootsuite website and sign up for one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the content section on the left sidebar. Click on Publisher to access the content scheduling feature. In the Publisher area, you will see options to create posts. To manage affiliate content calendars, choose the Content Calendar view. This allows you to see all scheduled posts in a calendar format. To add new affiliate content, click on the New Post button. Select the social media platform for your affiliate content. Write your post, ensuring it includes necessary affiliate links. Add any relevant images or videos to enhance your post. Set the date and time for when you want the post to be published. You can also choose to save the post as a draft if needed. After confirming details, click on Schedule to finalize. Next, explore the media library to store images and videos for future posts. Upload any materials that you frequently use for your affiliate content. Organizing your assets can save time for future campaigns. Return to the content calendar to view all your scheduled posts. Use filters to find specific affiliate campaigns quickly. Consider using the Analytics section to track the performance of your posts. This data can help optimize future affiliate content efforts. Adjust your strategy based on engagement metrics and audience response. Finally, regularly update your content calendar to reflect new campaigns. Keep your posts fresh and relevant to engage your audience effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.